Hi everybody and welcome back to my channel. I'm so glad you stopped by. Today I'm bringing you along with me for my cloth diapering routine. And I want you to know a little something about cloth diapers and diapers in general. Did you know? Did you know that it takes over 500 years for one disposable diaper to decompose? One. And in Canada alone, which is where I live, over 4 million disposable diapers go into the trash every day. So cloth diapers are really the gift that keep on giving. They're good for your son's tushy, great for your wallet, and they're good for the planet. So come along with me and I'll show you exactly how I wash my cloth diapers and store them and all that stuff. Remember, subscribe if you're not subscribed already and hit that notification bell so that you get notified for future videos. I have been doing multiple videos each week and I'd love to see you with me for those too. Let's start with the wipes. I actually cut up towels for this and then we sewed them with my sewing machine. My husband and I did this and they are honestly better than wipes. They get everything in one go and you don't feel like you're feeling it through a thin wipe. This is the wipe warmer that we use and it has since lost its lid. But we just pour hot water in here and keep them moist, and then it's nice and warm on his little tushy for when it is time to do some work. And I just wash these with the diapers when it's time to wash them. Like I said, they're so thick and they have such a good grip that you aren't feeling like you're just spreading the poop around when you're using those. You're actually getting it. You'll see on the side that I do have emergency diapers, and this largely came when he was waking up more often when he was sleeping because he had reached a year old and his quantity of pee was outweighing the amount that the cloth diaper could hold. So I have 7th generation wipes here, some diapers that I got at Whole Foods, yeah. So the first thing after I have cleaned a diaper is I just put it in a different room. This is in a closet and I just throw it in a garbage pail. It actually doesn't smell very much at all because it's in its own enclosed space. And then I just carry it downstairs to my basement. And I know it's not a glamorous space, so I apologize for that, but this is my laundry space. If you don't have tubs like this in your house, I suggest doing it in your bathtub. You'll see me putting my hair up, and that's just to keep it out of my face as I'm gonna be quite busy with my hands. I do put on gloves, which unless you're old school, which props to you, I like to use elbow-high gloves. I do use tea tree cast iron soap by Dr. Bronner's. Tea tree is very antibacterial, and a Wow Stick, which is a stain remover, and I use this to rub onto the dark stains, which works miraculously and is natural. I love this stuff. So I first start by separating the diapers. I put on the right side of the sink all of the separated peed on diapers, and in the left hand side I'll put the poopy diapers. So this isn't gonna get too graphic, but it is, you're gonna see some poop. So turn this off now if you just can't handle it, but it's a cloth diapering video, so that's just how it goes sometimes. And if you're a mom watching this, I'm sure you've already seen it all. So good, keep watching and join me on this journey. Yeah, so I don't actually scrape off all the poop into the toilet, which some people do. I realize that it's easier and more efficient for me just to clean them all in one go. I don't even know what I would do with my son if I had to leave him and go to the toilet to scrape off his poopy diapers and then store them in order to eventually wash them. With the left-hand side, I am filling it up now with the already scrubbed diapers, and I'm gonna soak them for a few hours with the Dr. Bronner's Castile soap and eventually some laundry soda that I have a video for if you haven't already seen. It's DIY laundry detergent that you can see me make, and again, it goes very far and is amazing. You can see me scrubbing the stains away with the stain remover by Nellie's, and it works so incredibly well. You'll see later in this video that the dark stains are completely gone from the diapers. It really keeps them looking like new. Now, not everybody has to go through, oh, there's the laundry soap. Not everybody has to go through the process of scrubbing their diapers. I have spoken to moms that just throw it into the wash on a very like deep soiled cycle, and that's fine too. That's totally fine. You don't have to go through this process in order to cloth diaper, but it is something that my husband prefers me to do, and honestly, I don't mind doing. It is so quick. But he doesn't like the idea of poop going into the same machine that washes his clothes, which is totally fair, and this actually, I think, keeps the integrity of my diapers a little bit longer than if I were to just throw them all in together. So as you can see, I'm just giving them a last little rinse. I haven't really done too much with them besides mushing together the materials and really getting them as clean as I could under the sink. They're gonna soak there for, I've left them overnight to be honest, but even just an hour, like just so that they soak in the material. In the summer, I like to hang dry my diapers, but if I'm particularly busy or lazy or whatever, I just stick them into the laundry when they're finished soaking, and then they can wash that way. As you can see, there's no dark stains. I'm trying to show you as I'm filming this that they're all completely white, and this is not due to a filter, like they're actually white. And that Nellie stick really does a good job because, and the laundry soap that I make, my homemade laundry soap, that does an amazing job too. There's Dr. Bronner's in that recipe as well. So I basically have two types of diapers, and what I'm doing is I'm just separating the liners from the diapers themselves, and Diego likes to help me. He likes to help me with a lot of things these days, which I really, really think is cute. It may take a little bit longer, but hey, this is kind of what you do with a kid all day, right? So I just keep separating and take my little dryer lavender scented essential oil balls out, and there's my piles. Now I start to fill the liners with the appropriate diapers, and then put them in a pile to get ready to go back in the drawer and ready to grab. If I'm putting Diego into a diaper and I feel like he's going to be peeing more, you can double line it, which I was doing with his naps before. He was always waking up wet, which is why we implemented the disposable diapers only for when he was sleeping. But normally, for the sake of heat, I only like to line them with one liner. I'd really like to hear your stories of cloth diapering and your routine. If you would like to comment below, please do, because I'm always interested to see how other women or parents do this sort of thing. I had no experience before my son Diego, and I had a lot of fun learning the best kind of method, for me at least, when tackling this. It's kind of daunting to start or to think about because it looks like a lot of work, but it's really not a lot of work. Once you get started, it's so fast and it's done before you know it, and it's this weird, at least for me, it's this weird sense of accomplishment that it's like, oh, I'm good for the next 4 days. You know, I really feel good about what I'm doing with the cloth diapers. Once I'm done folding, I just put them all back in the drawer, the wipes with the wipes and the diapers with the diapers, and I'm good to go for the next time I need a change. So there it is, friends. I really hope that you feel inspired to implement cloth diapers into your routine. I hope that it seems as easy as it is, because it's really, really easy to do the cloth diapering routine. And comment below if you have your own method of how you cloth diaper, or if you have questions or concerns or anything like that. Comment below, let's connect, and don't forget to like and subscribe to see more videos. I have been pushing out videos almost daily for you guys, and so I'd love to see you around for those. Until next time, friends, live it well, because you only live once. Bye.